Russia has many nature parks, and they are not necessarily located far from noisy cities. Lasiny Ostrov, or Elk Island, occupies almost 130 square kilometers and is located within the territory of Moscow. The park is not just a place where there are rare flowers and trees. Its unique feature is highlighted by the name itself. Elk and other animals live here under the protection of specialists. For this purpose, a biological station has been set up. We're flying over it right now. There are guided tours for guests, which require booking in advance. But we have an opportunity to admire the rare inhabitants of the park without these formalities. Here we can see the spotted deer. Their largest herds are found in Japan, whereas in Russia there are a total of about 9,000 animals. And here is the Siberian stag, a type of red deer. It is known for its magnificent antlers. The main inhabitants of the park are bull elk, and of course their female mates. Look at how eagerly the moose cow is eating carrots. Elk also like mushrooms, lichens, leaves, shoots, and branches of trees. They are all abundant in the park. Spotted deer and red deer favor the same plants, but even when they gather in groups, they do not need to compete. There is enough food for everyone. In the heart of the park, in the floodplain of the Yauza River, lie the Upper Yauza marshes. Nowadays, it is a very beautiful and typically Russian landscape. A mirror-like water surface and islands scattered all over it, and the shores framed with birches and other trees. This area used to be mined for peat. These mining operations brought about picturesque bodies of water. The marshes attract many birds, including swans. We are enjoying Elk Island Park in the fall, which means that the spring-born chicks have already grown up and are already confidently swimming together with the adults. Looking at this tranquility and splendor, one can hardly imagine that there is a metropolis living its busy life just next door. It is extremely important to appreciate and preserve this natural heritage.